Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at the Riverside Project. Check this out. Yeah, we're on the second floor of the Riverside Project. As you can see, windows are going in. Who wouldn't want this as their office view, huh? It's actually just crazy, crazy view. You know, we're using the Schuco windows. They're flangeless windows, which means they get hung in the opening. So yeah, you can see that space on the side. And if we come over here, we can see it there where they're suspended in the rough opening. And yes, we have our back dam and we have our blocks sitting down there. And you can see they have the clips going in. So we'll get those all organized. But yeah, go over here and finish with the money shot. And there it is. Steve Basic Architect out here at the Riverside.